Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger. Fix login Messenger app tutorial mommy 8GHO. To know how to fix or how to solve login Messenger app tutorial mommy GHO, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Messenger and you will enter here. Then in this page, you will go to click clear force stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end this, you can turn off you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next